Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea in a kettle. Start with fresh, cold water for your tea. Fill your kettle to the amount you need, typically about 8 ounces per cup. Place the kettle on your stovetop or plug it in and bring the water to the correct temperature. For black teas, this means a rolling boil. Green and white teas prefer slightly cooler water, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial step is crucial for a delightful cup. Now let's prepare your vessel. Warm your teapot or mug by swirling a small amount of hot water inside, then discard it. This prevents the tea from cooling too quickly. Next, add your tea. For loose leaf, a good rule of thumb is 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, plus an extra teaspoon for the pot if you're making a larger batch. If using a tea bag, simply place 1 bag per cup. Once your water is at the ideal temperature, carefully pour it over your tea leaves or tea bag. Now comes the steeping process, which is vital for flavor extraction. Black teas typically steep for 3 to 5 minutes, while green teas need only 1 to 3 minutes. Herbal infusions can steep longer, up to 7 minutes. Always follow the recommended steeping time to avoid a bitter taste and ensure a perfectly balanced brew. After steeping, promptly remove the tea leaves or tea bags from your pot or cup. This stops the brewing process and prevents overextraction. Now, pour your freshly brewed tea into your favorite mug. You can enjoy it plain or customize it with a splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, or a slice of lemon, according to your preference. Savor the warmth and rich aroma of your perfectly made kettle tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.